Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that I've been practicing and it's ugly, but the second one there, I just finished that one. It looks okay. So I'm practicing on this like basically it looks like it's maybe 3/8 inch stock of aluminum, and using the TIG torch and just basically playing around with it. I used a dedicated a wire wheel to clean off the aluminum, clean it with acetone, clean the rod with acetone. I'm using 4043, just generic rod, and then I'm using a 2% lanithated for the AC. I believe that's what it was, and then I'm using pure argon. But really, let's take a look at the let's look at the setup, because you know, let's see how I did that. Okay, but again, I'm just gonna keep practicing until, you know, like they say, practice makes perfect. Okay, so let's keep doing it. I got a lot of metal here that I can clean and keep working on. But here. So this is the AHP TIG machine. I got the new one, the 201 XD, and then I got a 125 cubic foot of argon, and it was about 270 bucks. It wasn't bad. I got it from my local gas dealer here in the area, the largest one. But really, what I want you to take a look at is the cart I put it on. I was debating what cart to go with, because you really want this to be level, flat and level. So basically, this is the cheapest Harbor Freight welding cart, but it's not meant to be like that. You can tell that it should originally be up here. So basically, I put this bolt on here, put a level on it, and I got it just above touching the other side of the bubble. So it's not perfect level, but it's tilted just up ever so slightly. And I actually used, I believe, one of the holes for this bracket that was already here, and I drilled another hole to match where I needed it and bolted all together. And guess what? The second shelf, everything, you know, it's not bad. And I used a coupon code or a special. It was 29 bucks, and it ends up being the cheapest welding cart that you can have. And with that little modification, it kind of sits there. It's solid. It's actually sitting on everything, so it actually feels pretty good. I'm probably gonna make a handlebar for it so I can wheel it around a little bit easier. Maybe even hook it up to the original bolt holes that I don't have anything hooked up to now. But I mean, I put the grounding strap here, I put the TIG torch on the other side, or vice versa, and I'm good to go, you know. So hopefully you enjoy the video. This was just a follow-up. It's nothing, you know, special, but one man's attempt to weld aluminum. All right, thank you for subscribing and have a great day.